Hi, on World Sleep Day, if I say elevate sleep to utmost priority, the reactions could be like these. And it's understandable because it's norm to sacrifice sleep for studies, work, and for entertainment without knowing the dangers of it. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Hasib Hassan, consultant neurologist and a certified sleep specialist from World Sleep Federation. In this video, I'll talk about sleep, why sleep is important, what happens when you sleep, and what are the hazards of sleep deprivation, and how to get a good sleep. You may wonder when heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, and other organs of the body work 24 into 7, why does brain rest? Actually, brain do not rest during sleep. It's an active restoration process not only for the brain but for the entire body system, which includes cardiovascular system, immune system, metabolism, and almost every part or every system of the body is restored and repaired during sleep. During a typical night sleep, sleep occurs in cycle. Each of these cycles lasts typically 90 to 120 minutes. It starts with non-rapid eye movement sleep, or also known as non-REM sleep, passing from lighter stage known as stage 1 to deeper stage of sleep, which is stage 3 and 4 of sleep. And in this particular part of the sleep, heart rate decreases, body temperature comes down, and body rest. This is followed by rapid eye movement sleep, marked in green as you can see. It's also known as paradoxical sleep because paradoxically the brain wave increases, there is increases heart rate and blood pressure, there is rapid eye movement, but the body remains still and temporarily paralyzed, and all the dreaming occurs in this particular stage of sleep. This cycle is repeated again, and for a night sleep it's typically 4 cycles, that's 8 hours of sleep. This internal structure and architecture of sleep is very important for sleep efficiency. The most important function it serves is memory consolidation. Whatever we learn in daytime are all in short-term memory, and this memory will only be consolidated or cemented when we sleep. So sleep is very important if we want to consolidate our memory, which is important when we want to recall it later on. Lack of sleep or poor sleep before attending classes can lead to impaired learning and retention. And if we do not sleep after attending classes or learning activity, that jeopardizes the long-term memory and recall of the particular subject which we have learned. So good sleep is must for good academic performance, and this is very important, and all students should mark it, as well as all parents or guardians or teachers who are listening to this particular video should convey this information to their students. The sleep may look like very simple act, but actually it's very complex neurobiological process. Even after centuries of research, new understanding regarding sleep is still unfolding. Recently discovered lymphatic system has given science a new dimension and understanding how the brain restores itself during sleep. It's a system that cleans waste product from the brain, and it's most active during sleep and in slow phases of the sleep. And if sleep is not proper, this leads to waste product accumulation in the brain, which are toxic and causes various diseases like Parkinson disease, dementia, stroke, and cardiovascular diseases. The rapid advancement which is happening in this phase is likely to give us more insight in future. But let us talk what is already been established and the danger of having lesser sleep. The immediate effects of sleep deprivation, apart from causing memory and learning impairment, decreases your work efficiency. It's one of the important cause for vehicular accident and can cause depression, mood disorder, and various psychiatric disorder. Further, sleep deprivation can weaken your immune system, can derange your metabolism, and can put you on cardiovascular risk. Sleep deprivation is part and parcel of modern day life, but you should consider it as in depth if you have to omit your sleep for some important work. And just like any other debt, you have to understand that it should be taken only when it is necessary. Every one of us must have read news regarding sudden death of apparently healthy individual, be it be celebrity, accountant, or common man. Though the phenomena is multifactorial, but sleep deprivation plays a very important role and is important contributor for this phenomenon. Major reason for sleep deprivation in today's world is our own habit and practice and not giving priority to the sleep. Apart from that, various sleep disorder can cause sleep deprivation or improper sleep or poor quality sleep. Obstructive sleep apnea is a disease where because of collapse of the upper airway, the oxygenation to the lungs and in turn to the brain doesn't reach properly. And here the architecture of the sleep is disturbed, and because of this disturbance of architecture of the sleep, despite having a normal duration sleep, the patient feel excessive daytime sleepiness, they can be lethargic, and this has the same detrimental effect as not having proper sleep. Hope at the end of this video the reaction will not be the same what we have shown you in the beginning. Let's give importance to our sleep health. Let's pledge that we'll give priority to our sleep health and we'll practice proper sleep hygiene. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay aware and informed. Goodbye.